Hey, welcome to day 46. It's loud and rowdy today. For some reason, there's a lot of yachts out just doing their thing and enjoying themselves. It's a holiday weekend. Anywho, last night I went to the club, and between 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock, what's going on? I did 10,000 steps. I'm off to the club. This is what I'm wearing. This is my first time wearing this outfit. I've had it like 2 years, 3 years, maybe even 4. I made it myself, never worn it, so we're wearing it for the first time. Looking good. I just got back from the club. That's the full outfit, by the way. It was so much fun. I did almost my 10,000 steps. Let me see how much. 9,300 so far. I've been working out. Look at the definition. Now, is this abs? Is this abs? I'm just wondering, because I've been working out. So, is this abs? You know what? I'm gonna take a picture and use this as my pick of the day. I'm looking scrumptious. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling sexy. I'm feeling hot. I look amazing. I love it. I just got back from the club. I was so far I've been drinking my water. I did my reading. As soon as I came in from the club last night, I did 4 pages, and then I did another 6 pages today. So yay me for doing that. My bags are Chanel right about now. They're Louis Vuitton. They're just big. Yeah, so that's how the day has been going. I've been fasting all day since about 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock yesterday. I've been fasting. It's currently 6:30 right now, so I've done a full 24 hours. So that's the situation. I don't have anything else to update you guys on. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye.